Got my ISO cranked up at 600 with the shutter speed of 1/48. Just trying to see how much noise I can get. Again, ISO 600, 148 frames. That last shot I was dropping 18 frames. So this one looks like I'm not dropping any frames. Still ISO 600. Now I'm at a very dark place. ISO 2400, same shutter speed. I mean, it's pretty much dark. Like, it's dark, even to the human eye. We'll see how much noise we get on this. ISO 4800. 4800 ISO, still in the same dark street. Shutter speed 148. ISO 7237. Cranking the ISO. I'm starting to visibly see noise. Again, shutter speed 1/48. I visibly see noise now. It's pretty dark. It's pretty dark over here. So I'm at the max ISO for my device, 7237 on a super dark street. There's the moon. I mean, this is max. I can visibly see the noise. I don't know how much the noise is once I see it on a bigger screen. It's always harder to see the noise on a smaller screen. Look at that. Again, I'm at full ISO on my device in a pitch black area where it's pretty dark at a park here. No lights. ISO 6400, I brought it down one click. 6400 ISO. I can barely see the noise on the screen, but it all matters what it looks like on the big screen. ISO 3200 in a well-lit area. I'm on this bridge, 3200. Now I got the S-Log on, S-Log at 60%. Again, 3200 ISO, shutter speed 148. This is all shot at 2K with the anamorphic lens, the moment anamorphic lens, squeezed to 1.33. Everything looks a little bit bright on this. I could knock down the ISO definitely. Alright guys, so I had that ISO cranked up. That's the highest I've ever cranked up my ISO on this phone ever. And I'm actually surprised at how much little noise I've actually got. So compared to my Canon, if I crank it up to 800, it's just, the noise is absolutely horrible. So get out there, test your equipment, find out its limits, because now at night. And another thing, it just cut me off. I've been realizing I get about 10 to 15 seconds of recording time and then it shuts off when I'm at the higher ISO. So I don't know. Keep filming. Catch you guys in the next one. Patrick Levar. Peace.